Let's make some Cynfyl cheese sauce tonight. We're going to start with our pan on low. Take that low pan, drop that butter in, and let it melt. We keep it on low so that the butter doesn't burn or brown or scorch in any way. Once it's melted, we're going to add our flour, and we're going to stir, stir, stir. Take that whisk and stir. You want to incorporate all of that flour, get it in there, and then you're going to continue to stir so that it doesn't burn or scorch until it gets nice and smooth, smells a little like almonds. Looks something like this. Now we're going to again slowly add our milk. We add it slow so that it does not clump the flour and the butter. Now what we had before is a roux, and if you cook it a little longer you'll get a dark roux, which is great for gumbos. I use a regular roux sometimes for my gravies. Makes them nice and smooth and wonderful, but you gotta keep stirring. You cannot walk away from this one. Once you've added enough milk so that it's well combined, you can just pour the rest of it in all at once. We've got all that milk in, it's all nice and combined, and you just gotta keep stirring. What we're making here is a bechamel. It is one of the mother sauces for French cooking, and you can make all kinds of sauces with it. We're going to go ahead and season this now. We're going to add about a tablespoon of garlic powder and about a teaspoon of dry mustard. And we're going to stir that in to combine it and continue to stir. I can't say it enough. Once we've got it thickened and it's a little bubbly and makes a track on the back of a spoon just like that, then we're ready to add the cheese. We're going to add the cheese. If you're doing one slice at a time, get it all melted and in there before you add the next one. If you're doing shredded cheese, add it maybe a handful, stir it, get it all melted and incorporated. When it's thick like that, it's ready. Taste for flavor. Make sure it's nice and cheesy. Here's your recipe. Thank you for watching, and as always, please like my videos and subscribe. And remember, cheese sauce fixes everything.